I'll probably break it.
Yeah, you'll be the first one out the door.
He said no, they don't break, but I'll be the first one to break it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So finally, the day has come for me to drop off Silverback over by JD Cycle Works in Nazareth, Pennsylvania to get the 128 big bore kit. And I am super stoked. It's actually really nice out today. Got lucky with the day, almost 50 degrees. A lot of snow still on the roads, but we're going to be bringing it over to JD Cycle Works. We're going to talk a little bit for a couple minutes on the way down there. Then I'm going to show you, as we drop the bike off, we're going to talk to Dave and show you guys basically what I already explained as far as what's going to be happening to the bike, what parts, stuff like that, time frame. We're going to be making it probably, like I said, 10 to 15 videos in this build series. We're going to go over a lot of your questions, so if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments and we'll definitely try to go over them and answer to the best of our ability in the next upcoming episodes. All right, so I'm just getting ready, have my camera gear, just had some coffee, and we're going to be heading out right now. And this is just going to be, I'm so stoked for this. I can't wait. I have another awesome thing for you guys coming up. I'm working with First Manufacturing Company. They make awesome, beautiful leather apparel, gloves, jackets, vests. Especially, I'm going to be getting a vest. They're actually hooking me up with a custom built vest that I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take you through the steps how to order one, custom made, not like you just go into a Harley Davidson store and just buy your average Joe original vest. This is fully customizable. You could build it. And I'll take you through the process, and I'm also going to have a discount, a 25% discount code for you guys, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. But I'm going to hop on Silverback. We're going to take a nice ride. It's probably about an hour and a half ride, probably about 90 miles, nice countryside as soon as we get into Pennsylvania. And then this is going to be the start of something special. All right, guys, stay with me.
All right, guys, so I'm about 8 miles from JD Cycle Works, Nazareth, Pennsylvania. I'm going to leave the links to his shop, his phone number, down below in the description on all of the build series videos, so you guys have them. Give them a call if you guys are interested in getting stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 or above. Give them a call. Even if you have work done to your bike already, if you just want it to run better, if you have basically a stock tune on it, give him a call and get a custom dyno tune. He can absolutely pull more horsepower and torque out of your engine with a custom dyno tune. That's without a doubt. So give him a call. But we're almost there. And there he is, the myth, the legend. Huh? How you doing? What's going on? I just said the myth, the legend. What's new? No? I know, I see that. It's good.
I'm excited.
What's that?
Spring's coming. Excited.
Yeah, a couple weeks, right? Another 2 weeks, moving the clocks forward. That's going to change. That's going to make a big difference.
guys, what's up? So I'm at JD Cycle Works. Had to do a nice smoke show for you guys. Come on. Anyway, Dave's inside. I guess a couple of customers are picking up their bikes right now. But anyway, he's going to have actually one of the employees here wash the bike because it's absolutely filthy. He's going to take the saddlebags off, the seat off, just get it pretty much prepped, wash the bike thoroughly, and then he's going to be stripping it down, starting to dismantle it. I don't know when, but we'll definitely be back probably next week, Wednesday, Thursday, to show you guys everything as far as what has been torn down. And then I'm gonna take you inside right now, show you guys all the bikes. He's crazy busy. Come check him out. Excellent guy as well. So awesome work if you want some power. But let me show you guys inside. We'll take you guys around. But here she is. The last time you're gonna see her as a 114. I believe he has all the parts except for the pistons and the cylinders. Everything else he has. The rest of the parts are on their way. So let me take you guys inside. Haven't seen one of these in a while. You worked on a lot of these?
Not many.
Not many,
The
right?
problem with Buell is you can't get parts. Harley doesn't support them
Oh,
anymore.
really?
Yep, so fixing them is, if you need something strange, good luck.
Wow.
Yes, that's the biggest problem with them.
Jeez.
Yeah, but we do a lot of everything else.
Yes.
With this one here, you got a nice upgrade. A little bit of cam action, different exhaust,
Nice.
some chrome. That one's getting a slight restoration. You brought that to life. And then we got a bunch of other ones around here getting into upgrades. And this one here came in a mess.
Anything cool on the dyno today? No?
Yeah, we got something back there.
Good.
Just finishing up on one with a tune. Just finishing up the tuning of this one here. It's got
Nice.
Yeah, it's got 124 in it with a mild cam.
124?
We put about 140 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
You know, not bad. 140, 142, but it's got the same cam you have.
475?
But with that cam and a bigger motor, she probably about 100. And what the heck did she put out? I don't remember all the numbers, John. 130 horse.
130.
Yep.
Nice.
So with what we're doing for yours, it's going to give you a whole lot more.
A lot more.
Yep. So that's how this cam kind of reacts. And I'll show you something here. This is interesting to the world. This bike came in
Right?
with the Chromeworks 2-in-1. Not too bad of exhaust, but you know how I put those louvered baffle inserts in?
Right?
This is without the baffle insert. Okay. He lost some he had better mid-range torque,
Right.
but I put a small insert in there and he gained 10 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow.
All throughout the area where he spends a lot of time up to
The
3,000
blue
RPMs.
is the one with the insert?
No, the blue is one without.
Gotcha.
The red is, but look how much the torque came on earlier.
Right.
You know, where he had that dip. And you feel that
Right.
in responsiveness. And here's a funny thing. It sagged here in the middle, but I got more horsepower.
Right. Oh, wow.
And that's the funny thing about doing baffle tests and changes in exhaust systems to see what really helps bikes come alive.
Yeah, everyone's different, whatever
Yep.
combination, right?
Yep. I mean, this one sounds cooler, 146 foot-pounds of torque, but this here is going to be a lot more responsive. You're going to feel it.
Gotcha.
You know, so that's something interesting to show you there.
Nice. Nice bike too.
Yeah, cool. Cool bikes.
So when do you think, what's the game plan? Like Wednesday? Wednesday you probably...
Yeah, we'll come out early, we'll start tearing her down. And show people how to take them apart and deal with the oil lines and everything else. And
yeah. So Wednesday you think for me to come back?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yep, come on in early. I'll get time set aside for you.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll come in early, probably like you said, like 7:30.
Yep, and we have most everything here except for the cylinders and pistons. They should be here shortly.
I told them that. Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, but we'll see them. We'll show everybody, obviously the viewers, how you tear it down. Right. We'll show them the parts next time I come.
Yep.
Right, because you'll have them, and then hopefully you have something on the dyno.
Yeah. There's always something cool coming on this dyno.
And then maybe, like I said, the next time we'll come back in, you just let me know.
Yeah.
Then we'll start when you start putting everything back together, right?
Right.
Awesome.
Yep. Yeah, I'd like to go over to show you how I do things, though. Everybody in the world that does this, they do things differently.
Right.
So I'm sure you'll get a lot of comments about this and that, but this is how I do it.
Right.
This is what works for me.
Right.
And there's a lot of people that build stuff at home that, hey, may help them. They're going to build it at home regardless, so maybe this will help them out as well.
Right, absolutely. Absolutely.
It's
also, let me ask you, as far as the Recluse, the torque drive, the clutch kit, when does that happen? Are you going to do that like after the engine? Or?
No, we're going to do that before we put it together.
Oh, before, okay.
Yeah,
gotcha.
We're going to have that clutch in there before we get up on the dyno.
Gotcha, okay.
Do you want to do another video on that, or do you want to go off of the last one you did?
Like, what do you mean?
On the installation of the Recluse clutch and what
that'd be nice too. Sure,
okay.
Why not? Yeah. I mean, because if people are, if they're getting that much horsepower, if you're going to be they're going to need that, right? Obviously.
Yeah, definitely. And I've always used the VPC stuff, the SDR clutches and the heavier springs, which work really well. But
so does the stock clutch kit setup work with the 128, that much power?
It normally works fine if I use the parts from VPC, from AIM.
Right.
The SDR clutch and the heavy springs.
But I'm saying, does the stock clutch?
You're going to blow right through it.
Oh, gotcha.
It's history.
Okay.
But the frictions could hold up with the weighted clutch on top of it.
Right.
But the Recluse replaces that in a clutch pack that has more frictions.
Gotcha.
So it just changes. I think it's just something different to get out and get
and
some
you
more
said the
testing
drive
time.
belt should be sufficient for the 128, right?
It depends on how you ride.
Right.
My bikes have chains on them.
Right.
Because I break them.
Right.
But when I get out and I'm testing and doing data log on my own bikes, I ride it different than other people's bikes.
Right.
But if you're
I mean, if we snap it, then we'll go to the chain drive.
We'll fix it.
Yeah.
The thing that breaks belts is improper adjustment. If they're loose, they'll whip, they'll snap.
Right.
And the second thing is if you're
obviously dumping the clutch don't help.
Yeah, when I broke the belt on my low green bike.
Right.
I took off from a light, wide open throttle, banged into third gear, wide open throttle, and it was history.
Yeah, right.
Or going up a hill. Like if you're going up a hill, second or third gear, and you really hit it a lot of times, the weight will come off for a second, it'll come back on, and it'll pop them.
Right.
But honestly, of all these ones I do, I haven't really seen too many belts break.
Gotcha.
I've seen the compensators blow up.
Right.
We
changed that already.
Yep, some clutch baskets, I've seen them crack, but not so many of them. I've seen third gear get blown out on people that really run them hard, banging into second or third gear.
Right.
That's other than that, I haven't seen too many belts break.
So let me ask you, if we had to go to a chain drive setup later, you said about
the kit is around $1,500 or something.
Right. Just the kit.
Yeah, Zippers makes a beautiful kit with adjusters on the back.
Gotcha.
It's like
that's not with installation.
No, it's probably a 4 to 6 hour installation.
Gotcha. Okay.
But then you get the key.
How many hours?
About 4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6 hours.
Yeah,
wow,
we got to take the whole inner and outer primary off and set up time and.
Gotcha.
And I use the O-ring chain, and the secret to a chain is keep it lubed.
Right.
You keep it lubed, they'll last forever.
Gotcha.
My bikes both have about 40,000 miles on their chains.
Let me ask you another thing though. If you do go to a chain drive, obviously installation, have you noticed less horsepower because of the more mass, more rotation?
No, but gear ratio will change your output numbers on a dyno.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
I mean, that will change. If you change sprocket size, it's going to change what the dyno sees.
100%. Right,
but as far as regular power, not really.
Yeah.
It's so minimal.
Gotcha.
No, but when you get a chain on there, you know you can just beat the snot out of it.
Yeah, but then
No
if
worries.
you're obviously going bigger sprockets, your gas mileage obviously is
Everything
shot.
changes.
Yeah, right.
Everything changes, and having these bikes work in the right RPM ranges makes them a lot better too.
Right.
You know, so it's I don't like to deviate too much from the stock gear ratio because it seems pretty good.
Right.
You know, so I usually keep it pretty close.
Gotcha. All right, so we'll worry about that if it breaks. I mean, if it breaks, it breaks.
Yeah, we'll deal with it.
But you haven't had anybody doing the 128 kits. You haven't seen any
Not
belts
really.
break. No,
I haven't really seen too many of them.
not too many
And
problems.
I got a lot of them out there.
Right.
You know, people riding up and down the coast. And it depends on how you ride.
Right. Absolutely.
I don't know if that
All right,
helped or
cool.
hurt,
Thanks,
but
Dave.
A little bit of information.
And guess who's in the house?
Holy
Mr.
shit!
Holy Shift. Coming to pick my ass up. Well, we'll see. I'll probably break it.
You'll be the first one out the door.
He said no, they don't break, but I'll be the first one to break it.
That's right.
All right, awesome. So yeah, so we'll see. I'll come back here on Wednesday.
Yep.
I guess I'll come back Wednesday. Hopefully, maybe Thursday. We'll see. If not, the following week when Dave starts putting everything back together. So I'm super psyched. Huge thank you to you again. And all the links will be down below in the description. Give them a call if you want your bike to run better, more power. And just like I told you guys before, you have that stock tune on it that you just bought online. Throw that in the trash. Come over here and have your bike custom dyno tuned. All right, guys? So see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Thanks a lot, Dave.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. All right.
Thank you.